we're going to Russellville, guys, to get stuff to repair the shower. So I'm gonna put this on speedy fast play to make it look like I'm driving wicked fast, and share the ride with you. Bink, bink. Time for them cows. And they all know it. Pretty cool. Leonard's. I'm gonna go here instead of Lowe's because they are so nice in here. This is where we got our water heater. This is in Russellville. Yeah. Let's do this. Alright, guys. This is where to come to get the... How you doing?
All right. Can I help you find anything?
I'm looking for plumbing.
Right back here. What kind of
I
plumbing?
knew I was going the right way. I got to go from 1/2 inch PEX into, I want to go into 1/2 inch galvanized to set up a shower with knobs.
Okay.
Because I want to get rid of that stupid thing with plastic in it in the middle, you know, the one knob thing.
Yeah. So you want to go from PEX to...
Oh, I didn't bring my list in here. Yeah, if you just point me at it, I can probably find everything. Here we go, yeah. Let me go get my list.
Okay, that'd be fantastic.
I'll be back
Leave
and just...
that right there, that'd be fine.
Thank you, sir.
And you...
The list. I got the list. I love this floor.
Vicious looking dog there. Okay.
So, 1/2 inch coupling. I figured I'll just get, just a sleeve. I found some of the parts here, and I like to support this business, so I'm going to get these here, and then I'm going to go over to Lowe's and see what they have. And I may just come back here. They can cut me some pipe at custom length, so that's pretty good. Hey. Are you ready to check out? Yes, ma'am. Which side over? There's not a register over there. Yeah. Well, that was pretty cool, guys. They're kind of out of stock because of all the freezing pipes. So hopefully we'll be able to get the rest of the stuff we need at the big store, Lowe's. Can you see the dog prints on the window? We're here at Lowe's. So let's do this. Don't forget the list. Well, I think I got it. Almost got you guys. I think I got everything I need. I still gotta get corners, so they were out of corners here. Back over to True Value to get corners, and then I'm gonna basically put most of it together right there, make sure I have everything I need before going back. Bink. Okay, guys, I think I got everything. When you live way out in the country, you got to make sure before you go back home. So check this out. There's the new shower contraption. The meat and bones of it. Hot and cold. PEX will come into here, and I got the adapters to go from the 1/2 inch PEX into these 1/2 inch galvanized pipes. These are going to be on the inside of the shower. The hole for the single valve thing will be right here, and the PEX pipes will come through. I got 2 90-degree turns to go through the wall and then back up to this pipe, and then I'll seal all that up. What a cute lady. Deborah's riding home with me. Hey, don't talk about me like that. You're skinny. actually wanted to see what it looks like with the sun almost going down a little here on the way back, which is why this is in here. If Deborah keeps it in the video. I got the chicken sandwich at Casey's. I should have just got a slice of pizza. I think they would let you put stuff on it. I mean, it's just a chicken patty on dry bread. I mean, I imagine you could put mayo or something on it. But I was just in a hurry. Tastes like processed chicken too. It's not really. It's kind of rubbery chicken. I don't know. Might not even be chicken. Maybe it's plant-based chicken. It's like being at a lion country safari. Hi, puppies. Oh, 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 oh. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Hello. I got a bunch of things in. Oh, I got a bunch of things in my arms. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Hi. Hi there. Hi. Hi, puppies. And here's the final, well, the clamps on it. I still got to take the tape off of the pipes there, but you get the idea. Coming in through that hole that used to have the stupid plastic single knob installation, and we just put that van accessible old license plate over the hole for right now. We're going to patch it up later. Bada bing, bada boom. Last forever shower contraption. Pink.